Listen to a 7-day forecast. Here's the weather forecast for this week. Sunday will be sunny in the morning. It will become cloudy in the afternoon. The high today is 20 degrees Celsius. The low is 15 degrees Celsius. On Monday, expect cloudy skies with some rain in the afternoon. The high today is 15 degrees Celsius. The low is 10 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, it will be rainy and windy in the morning. The rain and wind should die down in the afternoon. The high today is 12 degrees Celsius. The low is 5 degrees Celsius. Wednesday will be a stormy day with lightning in the late afternoon. The storm will end in the evening. The high today is 10 degrees Celsius. The low is 4 degrees Celsius. Thursday will be foggy in the morning. Later, it will be sunny and the fog should disappear in the afternoon. The high today is 17 degrees Celsius. The low is 9 degrees Celsius. On Friday, snowy weather is expected. We should get about 10 centimeters of snow by noon. The high today is -3 degrees Celsius. The low is -10 degrees Celsius. Saturday will be a bright and sunny day. Not a cloud in the sky. The high today is 15 degrees Celsius. The low is 8 degrees Celsius. Visit the ESL Directions website for online lesson plans and other resources for your class of ESL beginners.